Peace, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for coming back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any further videos going forward. But today we're going to talk about a really cool feature. So make sure you guys stay locked in so I can show you how to get it. Alright guys, so as you can see, that was a live wallpaper, and this is actually the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'm pretty sure you can get this for the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. I'm going to show you how to get this live wallpaper on your smartphone right now. So I definitely think this is pretty cool because I actually discovered this for the very first time a few days ago, just playing around with the phone and messing around with it. So let's begin the tutorial on how to get the live wallpapers. So first you want to go right here where it says wallpaper, right there. You just click that button. It should be in your app tray as well, somewhere down below. It should just say wallpaper, but if you don't see it, you can click the themes option. So the themes will be right here, and then you can just go to wallpapers, which is right there automatically. So now you're going to see that thing spinning in the middle right there, and you're going to hit that option. And then right here is where you're going to get your live wallpapers from. So you can see you have a ton of options to choose from. So let's just pick one so I could show you an example of how they look, but I've already downloaded a few of them to my device. This one actually looks kind of cool. Let me see. We could find a better one, however. Now, all of these are actually free, and all you have to do to get it to your phone, this one looks really, really cool, is actually click this button that says agree to use data. And this one is already downloading. Right here, as you can see, download wallpaper, you click agree. And then all you have to do is watch an ad for 12 seconds, and then it's free, so you can pay the developers their money. So that's how they get paid, is through this ad. So it's pretty much free for us, but they get paid with the ad. And then you click agree, and now you can see that it's going to download for free. So there's no fee for any of the themes or wallpapers or anything like that in this phone. So you can see right now I actually have the you can see the theme that I have right here. That's actually a theme, and it does come with its own lock screen as well. However, when you go to wallpaper right here, and you can go back, and you can go to your page right here, and you can actually customize your themes, wallpapers, lock screens. So when I go into wallpapers, I can have my live wallpapers right here. So right now I'm going to show you how this one looks. Alright, so that one actually looks really cool. You can see right there, it looks like the sun is moving. Now, the reason I like this one is because it has music with it. So let me show you that one. And when the screen unlocks, when you get a message, you'll hear the music. And I must have it on like mute or something. Yeah, I turned down the music. So you can hear the music right there. And then let me put it on the other one so you can hear the music on the other one. That's actually sick. Alright, we're going to set that one and then lock the screen. Double tap. So whenever you get a message, that's actually what you're going to hear. And the screen will actually light up. This thing also does have facial, let me see, facial recognition. So let me just test that out. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. And then when you go back, you could see right here, I have a few other ones that I want to show you. You can hear the music on that one. It's kind of sublime. Gives you kind of a vibe as well. Now there's only one speaker on the bottom of here. It's pretty loud until you cover it up, but it's definitely really loud. And then you got this one. This is like waves right here, so this is kind of crazy because you're gonna see the waves coming across your screen. That looks pretty cool. and I noticed it didn't really drain my battery at all. I've had the same battery. I've been at 80%. Let me show you the battery percentage on here. I've been using it on this. This is on the second day so far, I think, because I charged it last night, like before I went to bed. Let me just show you the battery life. So we'll go to settings, and then we'll go to battery. 25 minutes I had on screen on time, but let's see how long I've been using the battery altogether. Oh, that's the battery stats. So I charged it right there. That's kind of a cool animation right there. Look at that. I never seen that before. That's really cool. Let's go back into themes, and I'll show you one more right here. I might even download one more, like a city one. Let me go back. Wallpapers. Oh shoot, this one looks cool. Let's hit that one. You just hit agree. Now you gotta watch this ad for 20 seconds now. So they doubled the time. I actually like this game. That game is actually fun. You could play it with one hand too. So this one is downloading. Now let me hear the music. Alright, so I recommend putting this on the lock screen only, not on the home screen, because if you have the home screen on with that on, it's going to drain a lot more battery. But if you just use it for the lock screen, it's not going to drain any battery, because it's only going to come on when you get a notification. So if you found this video helpful on the Redmi Note 9 Pro live wallpapers, thumbs up would be appreciated. Also subscribe and get notified for when more videos do come out on the channel. But like I said, I appreciate every last one of you. And if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.